Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I thought I would do another one today since I am out. I thought I would do one today about what I want to do with the V-Strom. And by that I mean, what are my plans? Like, what am I going to put on it or take off it? So first off is always the first thing for me is the exhaust. So I have got plans to change the exhaust to the Arrow exhaust. Of course I choose the expensive one because I always do. But yes, I almost fell there. There was a bit of a pothole and my foot went right down it, and I'm not very tall, so I can just about hold the bike up when that happens. That was lucky. Anyway, my plans for this bike, obviously the exhaust, like I said, the exhaust is a necessity for me. I love the sound of a loud bike, and this bike is not that. This bike is very quiet, as you can tell. Most of the noise is actually the engine on this bike. You can't actually hear the exhaust very much. But yes, so that's one thing. The other thing, I want to change the headlight bulb. It sounds sounds kind of silly because it's literally a bulb, but I want to change that to a brighter one and maybe a white LED bulb instead of the one that it has at the moment, because right now it's very dull and orange, so it's not overly visible. So yeah, it's not overly visible. Another thing obviously is the indicators. They're not that bright either. I mean, they're bright enough, they're bulbs, but I want LED because LED is brighter and therefore more safe because people will see it. Another thing would have to be the windscreen. I have been looking online and I've seen a windscreen that you can get from China, so it doesn't matter, the bike's from China, so sure I can put that on. But it's from China. It's a completely blacked out windscreen. I just think it looks so much better than the clear. I have to say, that's completely for looks. Well, most of it's for looks, but some of it's for safety. So the exhaust, headlight, indicators, all that is more safety than anything. Oh, that's a speed bump. Almost didn't see it. The other thing is I want to change the spark plugs, the battery. I'm going to change them all to Iridium. I am going to get a new chain and some new sprockets as well. I have plans on doing that. I am actually going to put on the sprocket, so I am actually going to do the sprocket mod, which will make the bike's top speed faster. I also want to get some hand guards for the bike. I've seen hand guards specifically for this bike. I mean, they're quite expensive. You can get universal hand guards that are so much cheaper, so I think I'll probably do that, to be honest, because there's not much point spending extra money if I don't need to. The reason also I'm going for the Arrow exhaust, just talking about money, is because that's the only full system that you can get for this bike that I've found anyway. If you guys have seen more, then obviously let me know, but I've only seen the Arrow as the full system. The rest are just the end can, which, you know, is obviously a lot cheaper, but still I want the full system. On the left here. So obviously, speaking about money, I did want to mention that because I am going for the more expensive exhaust, but I'm talking about everything else to be cheaper. Exhaust has to be good. So anyway guys, I'm about to head on to the motorway. I think that's everything that I can think of that I want to get anyway on the bike. So I'm going to end the video here before it gets too windy, which it probably already is. So I hope you all enjoyed. Please leave a like if you did. If you can think of anything else that I should do to this bike, let me know in the comments. Yeah, let me know your opinions, blah blah blah. If you've seen any nice parts for this bike. It's a 2019 V-Strom 250. Yeah, if you see any nice parts, or if you've seen any nice parts, or if there's anything you think I should do, let me know. And like I said, please leave a like on this video if you did enjoy, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next one.